Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn Cambridge Saffron Revised Edition, Grade 3 of new poem, The Brave Little Kite. So here we are going to learn a story of a small kite and the conversation between a small kite and big kite. So let's start learning it. In this poem, the kite is flying in the sky, and while flying he don't want to go up. So let's start learning. I never can do it, the little kite said. I never can do it, the little kite said. The little kite, he is saying that I never can do like other kites, how they are going up in the sky. I can't go up. Why? As he looked at the other high over his head, when he saw the other kites over his head, he said, No, I can't do it. I can't go in such a height. Because I know I should fall if I try to fly. The little kite, he said to big kite. The little kite, he is saying to the big kite that if I'll go up, then if I'll try to go up, then I'll fall. I'll fall. If I'll go up, I'll fall. Then coming to the next fourth line, try, said the big kite, only try. What the big kite, he said? Try. You just try. In the fifth line, or I fear you will never learn at all. The big kite, he will say, you just try. Try, you just only try. Or else I have the fear that you will not learn to fly up in the sky. So try. Coming to the last line, but the little kite said, I am afraid I'll fall. What the little kite, he said here? He said, I'll afraid if I'll go up in the sky, if I'll go high in the sky, then I'm afraid of that I'll fall down. So I'll afraid to go up. The little kite is saying that I am afraid to go up. Coming to the next para, where the kite, he is saying, the big kite nodded. Nodded means shaking head. The big kite nodded. Well, goodbye. The big kite, he said, okay. He just nodded his head in the okay form and he said, okay. Then goodbye. I am going off. I am off. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. Here the big kite, he said bye to the small kite. Then he moved towards the sky, high in the sky, where he got tranquil sky. Tranquil means where the air it is gentle and soft. A peaceful and calm area, calm space. The big kite, it moved up into the sky by saying bye to the tranquil sky. Then coming to the third line, then the little kite's paper stirred at the side. The little kite's, the paper of a kite, it stirred at the side. It stirring. It start shaking. It start moving. The paper, it start moving due to the fear. It start stirring. Then coming to the next last line of second para, and trembling, he shook himself free for flight. Then the small kite's paper is stirring, and then it start trembling due to the fear. It start shaking. But he made himself to get fly up in the sky. Shook himself free for flight. Now he is gathering his all courage and he wanted to go up in the sky. So now somehow trembling and by shaking the kite, it's going up into the sky. Then coming to the third para, where first whirling and frightened, then braver grown. First, somehow it is little frightened still, the small kite still it is frightened, but somehow he is gathering his all courage and he is rising up. Up he rose through the air alone. He is going up into the air. Alone he is moving. Slowly he is moving up into the sky. Rose means rise through the air alone, till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. Here, when the big kite he saw down, then the small kite somehow, by gathering his all courage, he is moving up into the sky. Slowly. Steadily means slowly. Slowly it's moving up into the sky. Now, when the big kite he saw the small kite, the big kite became very happy. Then coming to the next para, then how the little kite thrilled with pride. Then the little kite, he showed its happiness. He became excited and he is prouding himself. Then as he sailed with a big kite side by side, now the big kite and small kite, both of them are sailing together into the air. Into the air side by side. While far below, he could see the ground and the boys like a small spots moving around. Then the small kite became very happy when he rose up. And from there, up from the sky, he is watching small boys into ground. And he is founding those all small boys like a small spots. Then, though the kite is afraid of while moving up into the sky, but at last he made it. And then from the height, now he is enjoying everything. The small boys, the air, their other friends. Then coming to the next para, they rested high in the quiet air. Now the big kite and small kite, both of them are sailing into the air, in the high up into the sky. And there only the birds, clouds were there. Oh, how happy I am! The little kite cried. The little kite, he said, wow, how happy I am and how lucky I am. Now I raised up. And in a happy manner, he cried. Cried means in a loud way saying something. Okay? So he cried. And all because I was brave and tried. Now he understood that now I am enjoying height. I'm enjoying this beautiful moment in the sky just because I shown my bravery. I shown and I made it and I tried. Though I'm afraiding of, but I tried. So now I'm enjoying this. This poem will teaches you same. Always try. Don't think yourself that you can't do anything. You have the innate power to do everything. So just come forward, take only one step and do it. Then definitely you will get success. Like how the small kite got success in this poem. So this is what your poem written by Catherine Pyle. And here in this poem you learned the story of small kite and big kite. How the small kite shown courage and how he rose up into the sky. So I hope you understood this poem. If you have doubts, ask me your doubts and we will clarify those doubts in the next class. So bye bye, stay home and stay safe. Bye bye.